Please let me know in the comment section what you will do when your wish is fulfilled of X back, or if you are manifesting a job and you have got the job. Please drop your comment in the comment section and let me know what kind of behavior yours will be when you have your desire. This video is very important because I am actually going to reveal whether the actions are important in any kind of manifestation or not. This is really very important, okay? There are a lot of misconception about, okay, this action you should take, that action you should take. Earlier I was also believing this, but I am actually researching more and more, and I am evolving more and more, experiencing more and more manifestation. Whether it is looks, whether it is money, I am having a great life right now. I manifest everything in my life, that's why. So love you all. I know you are here on my channel watching this video to know whether the actions are actually important in manifesting anything or not. Speculations, confusion, everything is there, okay? If I want to manifest money, I will have to do this, or else how come the money will flow by its own? Guys, money is an energy, okay? If you assume that you have lots of money, yes, you have lots of money. I always dreamt of manifesting financial stability for me, and I have now. I am actually giving you hint whether you should take action or not. I am going to make you understand. According to Neville Goddard, I follow Neville Goddard. According to Neville Goddard, law of assumption is very important. Right now you are assuming something, okay? You are assuming you are with a very beautiful person. This person is your romantic partner and you are having a good life, okay? Suppose you are assuming that right now you are with your love back. So how it will work? You have always heard of this hint that you do not have to care about how, when. How it will come, when it will come. Here is the secret, and actually not a secret, it is a hint whether the action is important, whether you should take any action. No, you do not have to take any action for your manifestation, guys. Yes, you do not have to take any action for your manifestation consciously. Okay, I have to do this, then only the manifestation will come. No, it is not going to help you out. Instead of that, you will manifest more confusion. Instead of manifesting your desire, you will manifest all kind of negativity. I am not able to take this action and the manifestation is not going to come. Now I am in full of negativity. I am in full of doubt. The good news, guys, actually I have shared already that you do not have to take any action. Now again you will think, then how will the manifestation come? I am trying to manifest a job and I do not do anything for that. How will the job come running to me? I will give you this example, then you will understand. While you are assuming that you are at a great position, okay, in your company, you are having your desired job. You are just assuming every day, morning or any time you feel you enjoy the manifestation, visualization, and you are assuming. Now what is happening right now? You are in a state of wish fulfillment. You are assuming that, oh my god, I am enjoying my job with a particular salary I always desired. Now this frequency is getting transmitted. Now since you are in this frequency of already wish fulfilled, guys, you do not have to take action for anything. The future will be created by the universe. Right now when you say the affirmation, I have the great job I wanted with my desired salary, you have clicked the button of wish fulfilled. When the wish is fulfilled, why you have to take action for the wish fulfillment? Then here you are in lack frequency, that no, the wish is not right now in my hand, I have to take the action. When you are assuming that wish is already in your hand and it has manifested, you are in that state, then you do not have to do anything, you do not have to take any kind of action. The universe will give you the opportunity, and at that time you have to take action. In fact, guys, when you are manifesting in a present tense that now my wish is fulfilled, your conscious body does not have to take any kind of action. It will take the action subconsciously only. When your body is vibrating at that level of wish fulfillment, it is automatically going to take action according to the desired result, according to the end product. I am a CEO of a company and it has a turnover of 20 crores. Then what is happening? Right now you have to behave like a CEO who has a turnover of 20 crores. Now you do not have to be in a state of now I have to take action, then it will come. Now you are already in that state, then the opportunities are going to flow in your life to take action, to make the situation according to the CEO with a turnover of 20 crores. Okay. Now you are trying to manifest an X back in your life. That person is right now in your subconscious mind is an X. Now the X is getting manifested again and again. That he is or she is only the X. You do not have to, manifest like that. You just have to visualize that you are in a joyous relationship right now. Here you do not have to take any kind of action. You are vibrating in that frequency of have already that desire in your hand. The wish is fulfilled. Now you have to act like the wish has been fulfilled. Please let me know in the comment section what you will do when your wish is fulfilled of X back, or if you are manifesting a job and you have got the job, how will you actually react and how will you actually behave? Please drop your comment in the comment section and let me know what kind of behavior yours will be when you have your desire. This is how you have to behave right now when you are manifesting your anything, whether the love back or whether anything, job, money, anything. You have to behave in a way that yes, you have right now got that. How you will behave? I am actually manifesting money every day through my brand and through my coaching of law of attraction. How I am doing is I always be in that frequency. Yes, I am earning money every day. I always be in that frequency and everything follows my state of mind and everything manifests in my life. Okay, it is not like that it is going vice versa. It is coming, then I am in that state of wish fulfillment. How it is actually working is I am already in that state where my wish is fulfilled and everything is following me. It is my consciousness. Okay, it is your consciousness what you are actually trying to see. Now if I say that person is a bad person, in my consciousness, if that person is a bad person, then yes, that person will behave according to my will. That person will behave in a bad manner. That person will show me bad behavior because my consciousness says that that person is a bad person. And when I am manifesting this, my behavior, my tone of speaking will change and it will ultimately result in, reflecting bad vibration unconsciously, and it is going to come back to me from that particular person. So if we want change, first of all assume that yes, I have that thing with me, and then everything will follow. Our body will unconsciously start taking actions. We don't even know what is going to happen. Even we do not have to take action unconsciously. The God is so unlimited that it can make anybody else to take action so that our desire can be fulfilled. So we do not have to take action particularly for any of the desire. In this whole video, I am actually only trying to say that no, we do not have to take any action. Our body first of all start taking actions, according to our manifestation. If we are in a state of wish fulfillment and we feel that this is mine right now, and we will automatically behave in a way that yes, I am living this life, I am living that desire, first thing. And even our vibration will be in a way that unconsciously the body will start taking action on the opportunities given by the universe. Second is, we do not have to even take the action. The God will, the universe will make it happen through other people also. Other people will go through some or the other thing and it will result into a situation where your desire gets fulfilled. Okay, I hope I am making you understand through the point of view of Neville Goddard. This is very effective and it is actually helping me out. I'm growing more and more, researching more and more on spirituality and law of attraction, working on it and experiencing good results. So I am sure you will also get good results, guys. Keep working, have patience, and be in the wish fulfillment mode, not in the wish will be fulfilled if I take this action. Action will come when you be in that state of wish fulfillment. Then automatically your vibration will be that. Unconsciously you will again start taking action according to the wish fulfilled, or the universe will make another situations in somebody else's life so that your desires can be completed. Your desires can be manifested. I hope I have made it clear. Thank you so much.